Hello everyone, I am Harmeet Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commercial Law, Golaghat Commerce College, and in this video I will be talking about winding up of company. Winding up of or liquidation of a company is the process by which a company's assets are collected and sold in order to pay its debts, and any sum amount remaining after the debts, expenses and costs have been paid off are distributed among the shareholders of the company. And when the winding up has been completed, the company is formally dissolved and it ceases to exist. So what is the procedure of winding up? Section 270 of the Companies Act 2013 lays down the procedure for winding up of a company. It provides two ways of winding up. First is by the tribunal and the next is voluntary winding up. Winding up by the tribunal. It is done primarily by the National Company Law Tribunal, which we call as NCLT, who has the jurisdiction to wind up companies under the Companies Act 2013. And only in case there is a strong reason to order winding up is the last resort to be adopted by the tribunal. So what are the grounds on which a company can be wound up by the tribunal? Under section 271 subsection 1, a company may be wound up by the tribunal if company is unable to pay the debts, if the company has by special resolution resolved that the company be wound up by the tribunal, if the tribunal has ordered the winding up by the company under chapter 21, if on an application made by the registrar or any other person authorized by the central government by notification under this act, and if the tribunal is of opinion that this is just and equitable that the company should be wound up. So who can file the petition for winding up? As per section 271 of the Companies Act, the following persons can file the petition. These are the company, any creditor or creditors, both holding any contingent or prospective creditor, any contributory or the registrar of the companies, any person authorized by the central government or by the central government itself, if in case the government finds that the company is acting against the integrity and sovereignty of the country. So now what is voluntary winding up? In voluntary winding up, a company and its creditors settle their affairs without going to the court, that is the tribunal. One or more liquidators are appointed by company in general meeting for the purpose of winding up, and a voluntary winding up commences from the date of passing the resolution for voluntary winding up, and the petition is presented for winding up by the court. Conditions for voluntary winding up. Under section 304, a company may be wound up voluntarily if the company in general meeting passes a resolution requiring the company to be wound up voluntarily as a result of the expiry of the period for its duration, if any, fixed by the articles, or on the occurrence of any event in respect of which the articles provide the company should be dissolved, or if the company passes a special resolution that the company be wound up voluntarily. Thank you. I hope you were able to understand the topic. Thank you.